All of you, welcome back to the fourth part of our Solana ICO DApp project. This is where we left in the last video, where we have built the entire front end with all the logic. Now we're going to do the couple of fixing and we're going to simply test all the features. So most probably this one is going to be the last video of this particular project. So this is where we left in the last video, and I want you to do a couple of changes right up here. So we are on the home page and you will find that we have this void connected, which is absolutely fine. This is good, and I can come back here in the program, and here I have noticed one small problem. So you can simply come back here, and this is what you have to do. So I forgot to add this exclamation mark, so make sure to add it if you don't have it, and just keep all the thing as it is. So this is the one change you have to do. Once you're done with that change, now you can come back here in the check if admin. Now you can come back here, and here you have to do the changes. It's not array buffer, it's only buffer, because we have to get the data, then we have to format it. So that's why we can't take this one, so just take it buffer. So this is the one change you have to do, and the rest of the thing is going to be as it is. Now you can come back to the fetch ICO data. This is absolutely fine, you don't need to make any changes. We can come back here in the user information, and here we have to add the changes. So you can come back here, and this is the change you have to do. So it's a account, but you have to say amount, because we want to get the balance of the token. So we have the variable called amount, not account. So this is the one change you have to do. So, and the rest of the thing is going to be as is it. Okay, just make the thing as it is. Now if you save it, and you will find that this is how our application is going to look. Every single thing is working fine. Currently I'm connected with the admin account. That's what is reflecting. You can see the status, you can see the balance of the token I have, and right now our contract is not initialized. So admin has to initialize the contract, then the user can start buying. So here you can say ICO need to initialize. So all the logic is working absolutely fine. Now what I'm going to do is, I already have enough supply of the token, so I'm going to give 1000 token into the contract as a initialized deposit. Now click on this initialize ICO, and here it will ask you that system program is not defined. So that's the one we have to provide. So simply copy that one, and you can come back here, and here we have the function which we have to add. So let's do. That's why testing is very important. So here we have this create ICO, and we are getting this is fine. We are checking for the program, we are creating that one, this goods. Here we have the admin, because only admin can call the function, and we have the system program which is not defined. So if I check, and if I come back here, this is fine. So we have to import the system program from here. This is the system program, so you can see it's a given, so we have to say s. That will become SYSTEM. Sorry, it was a small typo. So when you will save it, now you can come back here and just click on this OK, reload the page, and now we can simply do one more time. So I'm connected with the admin account. Make sure you have to connect with the admin account, and I will give my initial deposit. So click on this initialize, and here it's processing. Just a moment. Here we have the Phantom wallet. Now I can give my credential for the Phantom, and you will find that we are making the transaction because we are initializing. So currently it's failed to stimulate the transaction. So this happened on the devnet. So simply click on this confirm, and you will find the transaction is initialized, and finally we have initialized the contract successfully. Click on OK. If you give a reload, and you will find all the details that how much token is available as an initialize is 1000. How many token we have sold is 0. This is the price of the token. This is the available token in the contract, and here we have our balance. Now if I come back here, and if I want to deposit more token, so let's test that deposit function we have built. So I want to deposit, let's say, like 100 token more. So I click on this deposit token, and here I'm getting this particular error that like this method is not a function. So that's the one problem we have, which we have to look into that. Now for example, if I want to buy, let's take this buy as well. So click on this buy token. Here we are processing the transaction, and it's going to make a call to our Phantom wallet. Just wait, and we got this system program is not defined. So again we have to fix this particular typo. So I'll simply come back here, and first we have to go back to our buy function. So we have to fix our deposit function, and we have to also fix our buy function. So we can come back here, and here we have a problem. So it's a S system program. That's what we have given. So let's come back here on top. That's what we have. Now we can come back here, and let's give this, click on this buy token, and it's going to initialize. Just a moment, it's processing, and here we have this one. It's failed to stimulate the transaction, not a problem. Click on this confirm, and it's going to process the transaction. Once the transaction will complete, you will find that we have purchased the token. Now click on OK, and you will find that it went down and the fund is went up. So it's looking absolutely great. Reload the page and you will find that we can able to buy the token. So buy and create and initialize function is working, but we have an issue in our deposit function. So what I can do, I can simply come back here. Let's try to deposit, let's say 22, 1 and 22, and let's see what I'm getting. So I'm getting this particular error that program method is deposit is not a function. So this is an issue which I'm getting. Now what I will do, I'll simply come back here, and this is fine, and I have to open this one, and here we having the issue. We're getting the problem in the deposit function. So this is what we have. Every single thing is working fine. These variables are good, but this is the one which we're creating the problem. So maybe I have done some sort of typo. I can come back here, and this is what I have. I'll simply copy this one, copy the name of the function, and I can simply come here and let's paste the name. Now what I will do, I'll simply make this capital. I hope you guys haven't forgot it. So let's make this one, and let's maze this. Okay, I think I made a mistake in the spelling, so let's give a try. Make sure to do this. Now you can come back here, give a reload. Now we are ready to deposit the token. So I can come back here. Let's deposit, for example, 100 token I want to deposit. I can click on this deposit token, and here it's processing. So you can see it was a typo in the name. Again, I'm not getting that estimated costing and deposit because the simulation is failed. Don't need to worry about it. Click on confirm, and the transaction is processed. So once the transaction will complete, and here we have got the complete, and it will open to 1000 token. So every single thing is looking fine, that we can buy it, we can deposit it, and we have initialized. Perfect. Now what I will do, I'll simply come back here, and I'm going to change my account. I'll come back to account number 2. I'll give a reload, and you will find that I have connected with the user account. We have all the details, and only option I have the buy token. So if I want to buy, I have this much token. I can give my money and I can buy the tokens. For example, I want to buy 100 token, and you will see this dynamic details are looking absolutely fine. Click on this buy token. The transaction is processing, and I'm going to buy the token. So click on confirm, and the transaction is processing. Once the transaction will complete, we have bought the token and went down, and here I got my balance up to 100. So every single thing is looking absolutely fine. This is how user can buy the token. If I want to buy, let's say 10 token more, I can buy it. I can simply click on the process, and here the transaction is completed, and we have bought the token. So it's a really powerful project. I hope you have understood that how you can develop this kind of project, because this project will help you to give you the understanding about the crypto environment in the Solana blockchain. So I can come back here, I can go back to the admin account, and there you will find out that I'm the admin, and it will give me all the options. So if I want to deposit more or withdraw the token, I can click here and I can withdraw all the token. Let's say example, I want to withdraw 800 token. Click on this buy, and it's going to withdraw automatically, and I will have the token in my wallet. So click on this confirm, and the transaction is in the process. Finally click here, and we have bought it. Now only 90 token is left in the contract. I can simply come back here. I can deposit, let's say 110 token, and I'll make it 100. Click on this deposit, and the transaction is processing. Click on confirm, and the transaction would be completed. So I hope you have understood that how powerful this project is, what are the feature functionality we have included, and how every single thing is going to be working. So this is what finally we have completed the entire project. I hope you have learned something new in this project, that how you can build and write the contract, build this powerful project where you can add multiple condition, tons of things. So that's the only thing from my end. If you have any question in doubt, leave in the comment section. And if you want to get the final source code of this particular project, the link is in the description. You can get it, and you can faster your development from there if you already have a experience in Solana, and that will help you a lot. So I can come back here, and here you will find all the project we have developed. So you can simply come and check all of the project. This is the one we have. You can take the starter file and start building and following the complete project, or you can take the final source code. Or if you really want to master complete blockchain development, then I would suggest you to take this one. This particular bootcamp will teach you every single thing which you have to know to start blockchain. You're going to learn the programming language, the complete solid programming language, where you can learn and build actual smart contract for real world. And you will have the environment setup. You're going to learn about the project development on the blockchain. You're going to build 5 different contracts which are going to communicate. So it one is a really powerful project. Then you're going to learn about the required technology to build the front end and important packages. Then you're going to learn about the security which we're going to implement in the project which we have developed. After that, backend API, and this API can be used for Web3, Web2, in any kind of application. So you will learn the complete architecture. This bootcamp will teach you every single thing which you have to know as a blockchain developer. So I hope you have learned something new and mastered this particular project. If you want to check more project related to the Solana blockchain, you can come back here, type simply Solana, and you will find all the project we have related to Solana. So you can create an NFT, ERC20 token. Here you will find the NFT creator, Solana full stack NFT marketplace, advanced pre-sale, Solana token creator, airdrop. This is the advanced Solana pre-sale. All of the project we have. This is the Solana swap token. So tons of feature we have. Here we have the most advanced Solana token creator with dynamic fees. This one is for the swap along with the token creation with a dynamic fee. So check all of this project. This will give you a better understanding about the Solana DApp. So that's the only thing from my end. If you have any question, any doubt, do let me in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help you in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.